Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time and allowing us to show you and offer this heavy-duty American-made LeBlond. It's a 31 by 120 model NI. That's Nancy India, NI LeBlond heavy-duty lathe, and it happens to be serial number NI1005. This is also our stock number 8597. This LeBlond came to us from the U.S. Navy. It's out of the U.S. Naval Reserve Storage Program, and it runs well, and it looks great, and you're going to love everything that you're going to see in this video. That being said, let's go ahead and show you the features, the speeds, and the feeds on this heavy-duty American-made LeBlond. Let's see it, Frank. Okay, that first speed was 8 RPM. Now we're running at 45 RPM. There's a generous spindle speed range on this machine. There's 16 changes ranging from 6.5 up to 400. 135 RPM. Okay, the nuts and bolts of this machine. There's 31 inches swing over the bed. There's 19.5 inches actual swing over the cross slide. 300 RPM. What you're seeing here is a 21-inch four-jaw. It's a heavy-duty steel chuck. It's an American-made chuck. And it's an L3 direct mount. 400 RPM. Nice. I want to get back a little bit and start showing you the condition of the machine, the overall steady rest, the accessories, as well as the taper attachment. We have two steady rests with this machine. 9-inch hole and a 17-inch hole. Here's the heavy-duty one with the 17-inch hole. Here's the one with the 9-inch hole. Showing you on the back side the heavy-duty taper attachment. It's complete with the bed clamp. What a beaut. We're going to take advantage of this opportunity to take a look at the ways up near the headstock, the cross slide, the general overall condition. It's an absolutely amazing machine. Very fine, limited use. All right, speaking about the gap. One second, right there. Speaking about the gap, we are swinging a full 44 inches through the gap, 17 inches out. Again, that's 44-inch gap, a full 17 out. All right, let's take a look at the rear of that cross slide, Frank. Thanks for pointing that out. Wow. Thank you so much. Okay, here's the motor and the electrics. Nice setup for the NI. Has the chuck guard as well. Okay, trying to point out the heavy-duty rigidness of this machine. A machine like this really speaks for itself. Take a look at the width of the apron and the saddle on this machine. What a beast. So again, there's 16 spindle speeds ranging from 6.5 to 400. There's 56 threads from 3/8 to 46 TPI. And there's 56 feeds from 0.008 to 0.250. The overall weight of this machine is 13,500 pounds. It takes up 19 foot of floor space by 7 foot wide by 5 foot tall. It has a number 6 Morse taper in the spindle of the tailstock, excuse me. Number 6 Morse taper in the spindle of the tailstock. Beautiful. Alright, well I just wanted to point out some of the flaking, the condition of the screws, the ways. Machines like this are very hard to come by. Smooth, responsive, American made. Came to us from Naval Storage. Well, we'd be happy to offer any additional information on this machine here at Machinery Consultants in Salt Lake City, Utah. Our phone number is 801-531-9500. Our website, where the photos in this video can be previewed, is www.machineryconsultants.com. Please let us know if we can assist any further. Thanks again. Have a great day.